Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing your data, backup to Google Drive or a USB. This preserves files and apps. Once done, make sure the HP Chromebook has more than 50% battery or is plugged in to prevent interruption. Next, sign out of your account so you can access settings. Then navigate to Settings, scroll to Advanced, and open Reset Settings. This is where the factory reset options live. Pause if any backup is incomplete. The reset will erase local data. You now choose the appropriate reset. For most problems, pick Power Wash, click Restart and confirm. The Chromebook will wipe local accounts and return to first boot state. If the OS is corrupted, create a recovery USB using the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer. Follow prompts to make a recovery image, then boot the HP from that USB. Make sure you read prompts carefully. Recovery reinstalls the firmware image, which is why it fixes deeper issues. But after the reset completes, you'll reboot into the Chrome OS welcome screen. Sign in with your Google account to restore synced settings, bookmarks, and apps. Make sure Wi-Fi connects. If it fails, reboot your router, try a different network, or use a USB Ethernet adapter. If apps or profiles do not restore, check Google Drive for backed up files. Finally, if problems persist despite recovery attempts, use the recovery USB again or contact HP support. Hardware faults may need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.